Hello everyone. Now I'm going to be talking about the triangle law of vectors. So it is used for adding two vectors and hence it is also sometimes known as triangle law of vector addition. So starting off, if we take this as a vector, we'll consider the arrow part as the head of the vector and the bottom part as the tail of the vector. So let A dash and B dash be any two vectors as shown. So if this is a body, A dash acts this way, so it will act this way, and B dash is shown like this, so B dash will act this way on a given body. So with triangle law of vector addition, we can find out what is the sum of the vectors. So A dash plus B dash. So to do this, A dash plus B dash. So to do this, there are two steps. First step is place tail of B on head of A. So again, tail is the bottom, head is the arrow part. So what is tail of B? It is this part, and head of A is also this part. So over here, this is tail of B, this is head of A. So they come together and we place them this way. And the second step is join tail of A to head of B. So we'll have this kind of figure and we'll just join tail of A to head of B to make some sort of a triangle. So this is a triangle. That's why it's called triangle of vector addition. So after doing these two steps, we'll get this. So basically, the magnitude of the resultant vector uh, or the resultant vector is the length of the new vector. So this is the new vector a plus b, a dash plus b, b dash, and the direction of the new vector is from tail of a to head of b. So tail of a to head of b, this is the direction. So if yeah, that is the direction of the new vector. If you think logically also, it is quite easy to understand, because if this is a body, A acts here, B acts there, so the new vector acts somewhere between them, right? So A, B, so this is at some sort of inclination, so you can think of it. Now this follows the commutative property, so A dash plus B dash will be B dash plus A dash. It doesn't affect, you can do either way. So now there is a question on it I would like to discuss. Draw 3 east plus 4 north. So 3 east is 3 towards east, 4 north is 4 towards north. Now we know that they are perpendicular to each other, so it will be a right triangle. Now first, if we take this as A and we take this as B, so place tail of B, which is this, on head of A. So it's like this, and then we'll just join the rest. So this is 4 and this is 3. Now basically we know that this is a right angle. So how are we going to find this? Easy, by Pythagoras theorem. This is 4, this is 3. So a plus b will be under root 4 square plus 3 square. So a plus b is going to be 5. So the magnitude of the resultant vector is going to be 5. And the direction, if we the direction, to find the direction, we know it is from the tail of A to the head of B. So tail of A dash to head of B dash, which is theta over here. So if you watch the previous video on the basic trigonometric functions I talked about, we can tell tan theta is opposite by adjacent. So opposite is 4, adjacent is 3. So tan theta is 4 by 3 and theta is so when tan goes here, it becomes tan inverse. So tan inverse 4 by 3. So you if you calculate its value, you can get it in degrees or radians in some unit. For now time being, you can we can take it as tan inverse 4 by 3. Obviously using calculator you can calculate the real value in degrees or in any unit, but currently it is not possible now. So uh, it is possible using calculator, but now we'll just take it as tan inverse 4 by 3. So this angle theta gives the direction of the vector. So basically, to finalize, we can tell that using triangle law we can calculate the magnitude and direction of the resultant vector a dash plus b dash, and that is basically the triangle law of vector addition. So I hope you have understood it and now you have a fair idea about this.